Hello, everybody. Welcome to the MyPips Plus bot tutorial. Today we'll be showing you how to install your MyPips Plus Gold, aka holder bot. Don't get this confused with the XAUUSD pair. We don't recommend this bot trades that pair, strictly main Forex pairs. So first things first, once you have paid and we have confirmed payment on our end, we will send you two files. One is the bot itself, MyPips Plus Gold EA. The other is Erdala News Investment. This file actually keeps track of the news, so we won't be trading on times that we shouldn't be trading. Once you have these files either on your desktop or an easily accessible folder, the next step is to open up your MT4 terminal. You can download this terminal on any broker, really. Just make sure you are logged in to your live trading account or whatever account that you'll be using this bot for. Okay. First things first, you want to make sure auto trading is on. Okay. This is what it looks like when it's on. This is what it looks like when it's off. So make sure it is on and green. After that, you do want to make sure you have whatever pairs selected that you'd like to trade on. You can do so by simply dragging these pairs over to the main screen. Okay, for example, I'll use GBP USD for this one, and I want to be on the M15 time frame. No matter what pair you drag over, make sure you are selected on the minute 15 time frame. Okay, once that's complete, go to the top left-hand corner of your screen, click on File, Open Data Folder. Once you have this folder open, you can minimize the background, and you'll simply be dragging these files over to their respective folders. Okay. First, I'm going to go to MQL4, Experts, and this is where I put the bot itself. So this should be the MyPips Plus Gold EA file being dragged over into the Experts folder. I'm going to hit the back button one time, go into the Indicators folder, and drag the Erdala News file over here. Okay. I already have it in there. That's why I got that message. Once that's complete, we can X out of that and return to our MT4 terminal. Okay, on the left-hand side, you should see Expert Advisors. Simply right-click that and hit refresh. If you've added those files correctly, you should see MyPips Plus Gold EA appear. Okay, the next step is to simply click and drag that bot over onto your chart, whichever pair you'd like it to trade on. Okay, I recommend up to 4 pairs at once. It's a little risky if you break that threshold. Under the Common tab, you want to make sure Allow DLL Imports is selected. Under the Inputs tab, here is where you change your risk settings and your lot sizes. I recommend medium and low. Okay, and I recommend you choose the proper lot and max lot sizes without over leveraging. Okay, please be safe. Once those 2 tabs are taken care of, simply hit OK. And to ensure that you've added this bot correctly, you will see a smiley face in the top right-hand corner of your Forex pairs chart with the name of the bot, MyPips Plus Gold EA, and a smiley face. You do have to keep your terminal open and your computer or laptop turned on. Don't let it go into sleep mode while you're trading. Obviously, when the markets close, you don't have to worry about it. But if you want to make sure the bot stays connected, you must keep your machine on and your MT4 terminal open. It can be minimized, but it does have the application itself does have to be open. Okay, thank you for watching. Let us know if you have any questions. You can reach us on Telegram. You can reach us on Instagram. Thank you for being a part of the family. We'll see you soon. Take care.